Hello guys! Let's talk about how you can say "Where are you from?" in Russian. So, where are you from is the question Откуда ты? Откуда ты? Откуда means where from. And your answer consists of two words. Я, I, я. Then you use the preposition is, from. Я is, and then you give the name of your country. And in this situation, you need to use genitive case. So today, let's talk about how you need to change the form of the words in genitive. Let's take two countries. Россия, Canada. These have ya and a at the end. We are working with these letters now. When you have ya, you don't care about the gender of the noun. You just look at the last letter. If you see ya, for genitive case, you change it to I. Россия, России. A, you change to I. Canada, Канады. Я из России. I'm from Russia. Я из Канады. I'm from Canada. So now, I hope it's clear. I'm giving you several words, different places, countries, and cities. You need to put them in genitive case to make sentences. I am from. So the words are Австралия, Москва, Германия, Оттава, Британия, Турция. Stop the video. Try to put these words in genitive case. Then play again. Let's check. Австралия, Австралии. Я из Австралии. Я из Москвы. Я из Германии. Я из Оттавы. Я из Британии. Я из Турции. Easy, right? But there is one more thing you need to mind. There is a spelling rule in Russian which tells us that you can never ever use «ы» after the following letters. гкх, жчшщ. гкх, жчшщ. Never «ы» possible. So when you have a or ya before one of these letters, you cannot use «ы». You choose «и» instead. So for example, in the word Mexica, you have «к», one of these letters. So you can say only «я из Мексики». «Я из Мексики». Or Польша, there is «ш». «Я из Польши». I'm from Poland. Several more words. America, тайга, Volga. I think that you know what taiga is. Russia is very famous with its forests, and taiga takes the most part of them. And Volga is a very big and also famous river in Russia. So how do you say from America? Из Америки. Из тайги. Из Volgi. Maybe it's a fish from Volga River, yeah. Из Volgi. Group with the words with the consonant at the end, any consonant. If you have the consonant, you add one more letter, which is going to be a. For example, in the word Sankt Peterburg, we have the last letter G, and you add a. Я из Санкт-Петербурга. I'm from St. Petersburg. Try to do it yourself with other places. Berlin, Kazakhstan, Kipr, Нью-Йорк. Я из Берлина. Я из Казахстана. Я из Кипра. Я из Нью-Йорка. Please check that the word doesn't have the form of the adjective. It doesn't if it's not a Russian word, it's not a Russian city. As for Russian cities and villages, it can be. So be attentive with them. There are not a lot of them in foreign words. One of the most used is Китай. That's China. Китай. It has y in the Russian word. You change y to я. Из Китая. Я из Китая. Some other words. Altai. That's a region in Russia. Из Алтая. Dubai. Из Дубая. The following group are the words with the soft sign and band. And these words are always confusing because soft sign doesn't indicate the exact gender. It can be whether masculine or feminine. And here is the only situation in genitive wherein we care about the gender. If you have the word with the soft sign at the end and it is masculine, you will change this soft sign to я. If it is feminine, it will be и instead of я. Israel is masculine, so to say I'm from Israel, you say я из Израиля. Беларусь, if you choose this form of the country, not Белоруссия, but Беларусь, you say я из Беларуси. Other countries and cities. Брюссель, masculine, из Брюсселя. Версаль, masculine, из Версаля. Казань, you probably know this city from Russia. Из Казани, it's feminine. That's how they are changed. In this video, we are not going to cover the topic of how we need to change neuter nouns in genitive case because there are not a lot of names in neuter which are changed in Russian. Most of them will remain the same. If you see O at the end of the name of the country or city, you don't change this word. So, for example, Mexico, this is a Mexico city, Mexico, will remain the same. Я из Мехико. Oslo, я из Oslo. Tokyo, я из Tokyo. Okay? Nothing's changed here. Today we've covered the topic of how you need to change the endings of the singular nouns in genitive. This rule, which you can see here, works obviously not only with the names. You can take any noun and change it according to the rule, and it will work perfectly, except for the neuter nouns, which we haven't discussed here very much. Guys, that's all for today. I hope that it was helpful. Let me know if you understood everything, if it helped. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be glad to answer. Hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.